Welcome back to a new week at Newlands Primary School. It's our first full week at school and we are so excited to get the week started. I want to say before we begin, I am so proud of all of the children for the last week and how well they settled in and got straight to work. You have done an amazing job, everyone. Give yourselves a big thumbs up. Well done. Remember, we continue to make good choices. We're kind, we're caring, and we keep focused on our learning. Now, this week, we have a new focus to start our school year off. And remember, it is the year of being healthy. And I'm seeing lots of children doing lots of things to stay healthy right now. And that's fantastic. Now, the first thing that we're going to focus on this week is going to be on learning outdoors learning. Now, a lot of you have been doing a lot of learning outdoors lately, and I am so proud of you. Let's talk a little bit about why learning outdoors is a good thing and helps to keep you healthy. Outdoor learning. Outdoor learning has lots of benefits, things that are good for you. Some of the things is that it helps you to get better at your personal and social communication skills. It allows you to be able to talk to other people in a better way. It increases your physical health, makes you healthier for your body. It helps to improve your mental and spiritual health. It helps to make you relax and enjoy the environment around you. It improves your sensory, what you see, what you smell, what you feel, and it allows you to enjoy the beautiful things we have in nature. It also helps you to take control of yourself, and it improves your sensitivity to your own well-being. When you're outside, take a nice deep breath. Feel that fresh air. Look at the things around you and enjoy the space and freedom to move your body and relax and enjoy. What an amazing place we live in, and we have lots of fun things for our school to do outside. We'll be taking our learning outdoors even more this year so that we can get better both in mind and body. Okay, challenge. What do you think the challenge is? I want you, and your challenge this week is to make sure that when you go outside to do your learning, that you notice the environment around you. The environment is what you see around you. It's the grass, it's the sky, it's the trees, it's wood, it's the tarmac on the playground, it's the walls in the playground. It is all of those things that make up the environment. And look for the things that you really, really enjoy in the environment. And on Friday, I want you to be able to tell your teacher what is the favorite thing that you like about learning outdoors, so that maybe as a class you can figure out what's the best way to continue that journey of learning outside. Got it? So when you're outside, I want you to notice the environment. Right now, tell the person next to you, what are we going to do this week? Yes, we're going to notice the environment. And then on Friday, what are you going to do? You're going to tell your teacher what is the favorite thing about your outdoor learning. Now, when you see me, make sure you tell me as well, because I love hearing about what you enjoy doing and what helps you to be a better learner. All right, everyone, take a nice deep breath in. Remember, good choices all week long. Have a good week. Bye.